Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Just about 6:07 on your early Monday evening, the first Monday of February, and it's also Groundhog's Day as well. And it was also our first day in 10 days, as I said right before the break, with temperatures at or above 20 degrees. So we'll make it last for a couple of more days. But let's take a look back at the magnitude of the cold that we just went through. So far this winter, we've had 11 mornings with temperatures at or below 0 degrees. All 3 months, November, December, and January, have been below normal, and it looks like we will see a minimal warm-up as we go through the next 6 to 10, 8 to 14 days. The last time we had cold like this was between December 26, 2017, and New Year's Day of 2018, and all that time we had temperatures at or below 20 degrees and temperatures at night that were at or below freezing. So it's been about 8 years since we've had cold like this in central New York. As we go through the next couple of days, though, it becomes a bit milder for our Tuesday with more clouds than sun and some snow showers developing, especially by late morning into the early afternoon. Could be a bit of accumulation for some of us. It's still cloudy on Wednesday. It's a bit colder and more brisk with some more lake effect snow showers, and then a few lingering snow showers for our Thursday with temperatures topping out in the upper teens to low 20s out there, and there will be a bit of more of a wind chill factor by then, but at least we're still in the 20s. We're pretty close to it right now. 19 degrees is our current temperature in downtown Utica with mostly cloudy skies. Other numbers from around the region are mainly into the teens. I say mainly with the exception of Old Forge at 7 degrees out there. That is our cold spot at the present time. And when you factor in the slight northwesterly breeze out there, it makes it feel like it's in the single digits to the east, and then the teens off toward the west at the present time. And temperatures bottoming out tonight in the single digits to teens out there, but it's single digits largely above 0. However, when you factor in the wind, it'll feel like it's around -7 to as much as -12. The radar is pretty quiet out there. There might be a couple of snow flurries or snow showers coming in off Lake Ontario that the radar's kind of overshooting, and that's going to be the case especially over Jefferson, Lewis counties overnight tonight. However, the coverage of the snow showers will expand tomorrow thanks to this cold front moving in from the west, from the Great Lakes. That's a clipper that originated from Alberta, so we'll get up into the 30s tomorrow with a southwesterly breeze after starting the day in the teens and single digits, as I just showed you, and then we turn chillier and more brisk for our Wednesday, but not as cold as it has been. Again, starting the day in the teens and single digits out there, and then there will be those snow showers as we head into the afternoon for our Tuesday. Could be a coating to maybe an inch or two for many locations. The snow shower chances don't really go anywhere until the weekend, but look at that, another Saturday with high temperatures struggling to get out of the single digits. Thomas, back to you.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Just past 10:18 on your late Monday evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some milder temperatures for our Tuesday, although comparatively so because it'll still be below normal temperature-wise, and there could be a few snow showers out there. Let's first take a look at the almanac for our Monday. 23 our high today, 17 below 0 was the low this morning. That goes down as one of the coldest mornings that we've had so far this season. I'll talk more about that in just a second. 32 and 15 are average high and low respectively, and that means that we had a 40-degree temperature differential between the high and the low today. Obviously not anywhere near record highs, but we did come close to that record low, within 2 degrees of it. No precipitation, and we are continuing to gain some daylight, almost exactly 10 hours of it right now, and we are going to continue to gain a significant amount of it as we head further into the month of February. Believe it or not, we're already at February 2nd, and as far as the season is concerned, we did have so far 11 sub-zero mornings so far this winter. Obviously, one of them was this morning. All 3 months so far, in November, December, and January have been, so the latter part of the fall and then the first part of the season of winter have been below normal. The last time we put 3 consecutive months together of below normal temperatures was in 2017 and 18, and that's the last time that we had similar type cold where it only got into the 20s during the day and below 0 at night. That occurred between December 26th of 2017 and New Year's Day 2018. So thankfully we can put the teens and single digits behind us in the rearview mirror for at least a couple of days. Tomorrow will be a little bit milder with some more clouds than sun. sun and some snow showers developing, I think especially late morning, early afternoon, the further northwest that you head. By Wednesday, it's cloudy and we will be cool, a little bit cooler and even briskly so with some lake effect snow showers and then a few lingering snow showers hanging around for our Thursday. 7 degrees right now in downtown Utica where we do have mostly cloudy skies. And we're seeing single digits and teens both above and below zero across most of the upstate right now. When you factor in that wind, though, it does feel chillier than that. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll be in the single digits and teens, largely above zero, though, for many locations. The radar is free and clear. Precipitation for most of us as well. We are just seeing an increase in clouds. And then this Alberta clipper off toward the west. Out ahead of it, we'll see a southwesterly wind tomorrow. And that's what will allow temperatures to warm up into the middle and upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. Wind chill values for most of the day will be around 20 to 25. But at least it's milder than it has been for most of the latter half of the month of January. And for the first day of February, snow chances, though, those aren't going anywhere, even though we'll have temperatures in the 20s right through the end of the week. And then another bitterly cold weekend, the third one in a row on Saturday, with wind chills most of the day, well below zero, and some snow showers to go with it. Thomas, back to you.
You're watching Eyewitness News at 11 on WUTR.
And welcome back, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ron Reed at 10 minutes past 11 on your late Monday evening. And I'm tracking some milder temperatures for your Tuesday. It'll still be chilly, though, with temperatures below average. But let's talk about the cold that we've seen so far this winter. So far this winter, this morning included, we've had 11 mornings with temperatures below zero so far this season. And the last 3 months, November, December, and January, have all been below normal. And that's the first time in 8 years that we've been able to say we've had a stretch of 3 months in a row with below normal temperatures. Unfortunately, the pattern only shows a minimal warm up as we head into next week, although there could be some 30s and 40s in there. The last time we had cold similar to this with days getting only into the 20s, or not even into the 20s, I should say, into the teens and single digits, and then below zero at night occurred between December 26th of 2017 and New Year's Day, January 1st of 2018. So it's about 8 years ago that we've had cold like this and those below average months. As we go through the next couple of days, though, it becomes a bit milder for our Tuesday with more clouds and then some snow showers developing as we head toward the afternoon into the evening hours. The clouds remain with us as we head through Wednesday. It becomes a bit more brisk with a few lake effect snow showers. And there is still the chance of some lake effect snow showers as we head into our Thursday. And it turns a little bit chillier, but at least all 3 days and even into Friday, it remains in the 20s. Right now, we're in the single digits at 4 degrees above zero in downtown Utica under mainly clear skies. But when you factor in the breeze, it does feel a little bit chillier. We've got 4 degrees above zero in both Old Forge and in downtown Utica. It's 4 below zero, however, over in Hamilton. Most of us are above zero in the upstate, but there are some wind chills that are below zero, both Saranac Lake and in Ithaca. Same thing over in Elmira, as well as Oneonta. Glens Falls included in that as well. Most of us are within that territory or going to be close to it over the next few hours. Temperatures largely going to be above zero during the overnight hours, but again, when we factor in that wind, it'll feel like it's around 0 to 5 below, maybe even a little bit chillier than that in some locations. At least the radar is pretty free and clear of precipitation. We are just seeing some clouds, maybe even a few lake effect snow showers kind of being overshot by the radar in both Jefferson and portions of Lewis County as well. And then we've got that Clipper system just to the east of Chicago right now. Out ahead of it, we will see a southwesterly breeze, yes, but more clouds than sun out ahead of it as well. And that's what will cause the temperatures to become a little bit chillier for both Wednesday and Thursday. And then we'll see the winds out of the southwest tomorrow, boosting our temperatures up into the middle and upper 20s. Some of us might get to 30 degrees, but not so much by the weekend. Look at that. Another Saturday with high temperatures only in the single digits, some snow showers, and with the wind, it'll feel like it's below zero yet again throughout the entire day. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. Still